Welcome back to the quick intro to Python 3 for AWS Automation Engineers course. In today's video, we'll cover the most common operations relate to AWS Secrets Manager that you might need to automate using Python and the Boto3 library. To be able to repeat our examples, you'll need Python 3 interpreter, AWS CLI tools, Boto3 module, and IDE. We'll be using Cloud 9 IDE in this video, but you can use your local IDE such as Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, or even a text editor. AWS Secrets Manager is a secrets management service that helps you protect sensitive data like API keys, passwords, and database connection strings. Secrets Manager enables you to rotate, manage, and retrieve secrets securely. With Secrets Manager, you can easily rotate secrets without updating your code or applications. Secrets Manager also provides built-in integration with AWS Lambda so that you can rotate secrets automatically and periodically. In addition, Secrets Manager allows you to monitor secret usage and activity with Amazon CloudWatch metrics and logs. Overall, Secrets Manager is a convenient and secure way to manage secrets for your AWS applications. One of the most common questions is the differences between AWS Secrets Manager and AWS Parameter Store. Let's clarify this topic now. The AWS Secrets Manager is designed specifically for confidential information, like database credentials and API keys, that needs to be encrypted, so the stored secret data is encrypted by default. The AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store is designed to cater to a broader use case, not just secrets or passwords but also for application configuration variables like URLs, custom settings, etc. Both Secrets Manager and Parameter Store can use AWS KMS to encrypt values. The AWS Parameter Store provides the option to store data unencrypted. On the other hand, Secrets Manager does not allow you to store unencrypted data. AWS KMS provides a highly available key storage, management, and auditing solution to encrypt data within your applications and control the encryption of stored data across AWS services. You can use KMS and IAM policies to control which IAM users or roles have permission to decrypt the key value and the secret. Regarding the cost, the AWS Parameter Store comes with no additional charges, but there is a limit on the number of parameters you can store. The current limit is 10,000. You can write your own Lambda function that updates credentials managed by Parameter Store and invoke it via a CloudWatch scheduled event or event bridge. The AWS Secrets Manager comes with some costs. Check out the official AWS Secrets Manager pricing page for additional information. AWS Secret Manager has built-in integration for rotating MySQL, PostgreSQL, Amazon Aurora, and RDS database credentials. It integrates with Lambda functions to rotate any stored secrets for not supported services or applications. AWS Secrets Manager also can generate random secrets. For example, you can generate random passwords in CloudFormation and store them in Secrets Manager. Finally, you can share AWS Secrets Manager secrets across multiple AWS accounts. Secrets Manager stores the encrypted secret data in a collection of versions associated with the secret. Each version contains a copy of the encrypted secret data, and it is associated with one or more staging labels that identify the version in the rotation cycle. To create a secret in AWS Secrets Manager using Boto3, you can use the createSecret method. This method requires a mandatory name argument to set up the secret name, the secret string or secret binary argument. If you use the secret string parameter, you need to provide the secret information in the form of a text string. On the other hand, if the secret binary parameter is used, you need to use the binary data. As soon as you save secret string or secret binary data to Secrets Manager, it creates an initial secret version and automatically moves the staging label AWS current to the newest version of the secret. Additionally, you can provide the KMS key ID parameter to encrypt the secret string or secret binary data using a custom KMS key. If you don't provide the KMS key ID parameter, then Secrets Manager uses the account's default CMK named AWS/Secrets Manager. You can use the List Secrets method of the Boto3 client to list all secrets stored in AWS Secrets Manager. Please keep in mind that the encrypted fields secret string and secret binary are not included in the returned JSON output. To get that information, you need to call the getSecretValue method. To retrieve a secret value from AWS Secrets Manager using Boto3, you need to use the getSecretValue method. In this example, we're retrieving the secret with secret ID, the name we used to create the secret, equal to database prod secrets. Additionally, we're using a JSON loads method to convert the JSON string from the previous example to the Python dictionary. To update an existing secret in AWS Secrets Manager using Boto3, you need to use the putSecretValue method of the Secrets Manager client. This method creates a new version of the secret and attaches it to the secret ID. You can use the deleteSecret method of the Boto3 Secrets Manager client to delete the secret and all its versions. You can optionally include a recovery window, which allows you to restore the secret. If you don't specify a recovery window value, the secret will be deleted within 30 days. You can use the Restore Secret method of the Boto3 client at any moment before the expiration recovery window time to cancel the deletion of the secret. To restore a deleted secret during the recovery window, you can use the Restore Secret method of the Secrets Manager client. That's all we wanted to cover in this video. For more information about this topic, please check out the official AWS and Boto3 documentation. These resources are the most up-to-date sources of information. If you'd like to get more information about certain operations with AWS Secrets Manager or any other AWS services using Python and Boto3 library, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the like button. This will help us to publish and spread more educational hands-on content related to cloud automation for the community. Thank you for your attention and stay tuned.